Hi everyone. Today I've got something spooky and educational for you. We are going to learn English through a ghost story, a short, mysterious tale called The Alley. But don't worry, while the story might give you chills, the English lesson will warm up your grammar skills. In this video, you will learn how to use the past simple, past continuous, and past perfect naturally in a story. You will also pick up some useful vocabulary and expressions for storytelling. So, turn off the lights, grab your headphones, and get ready to learn English with a little scare. Let's begin. It was a cold, rainy night in a quiet town. Sarah was walking home from work, her umbrella barely holding off the wind. She took a shortcut through an old alley she usually avoided. The streetlights flickered. The alley was silent, too silent. Suddenly, she heard footsteps behind her. She turned around, but no one was there. She had heard rumors about the alley before. People said it was haunted, that someone had disappeared 3 years ago. She kept walking, but the air felt heavy, and her heart was beating faster and faster. Out of the corner of her eye, she thought she saw something move, but when she turned, there was nothing. Then a whisper. Someone or something was calling her name. She froze. Her breath caught in her throat. Slowly, she turned her head. Standing in the shadows was a figure. Not moving, not blinking, just staring. She ran. She didn't stop until she reached the lights of the main street. She looked back, but the alley was empty. Okay, let's look at the grammar behind the story. We used three important past tenses. Number one, the past simple. The past simple is used for actions that happened and ended in the past. The structure is the subject plus the past verb. Examples from the story. She took a shortcut. She heard footsteps. She ran. Number two, the past continuous. The past continuous is used for background actions in a story or things happening at the same time. The structure here is the subject plus was or were plus the ing form of the verb. Examples. Sarah was walking home from work while the wind was blowing. Her heart was beating faster. Number three, the past perfect. This tense is used for actions that happened before another past action. The structure here is the subject plus had plus the past participle. Examples. She had heard rumors about the alley before. Someone had disappeared years ago. Okay, now let's focus on the vocabulary and expressions. Number one, her breath caught in her throat. It means she was too scared to breathe or speak. Number two, she saw something out of the corner of her eye. It means she saw something without looking directly. Number three, her heart was beating faster. It means she was scared. Number four, she froze. It means she couldn't move because of fear. And finally, the lights flickered. It means the lights turn on and off quickly, usually spooky. And that was The Alley, a ghost story packed with grammar. We used past tenses to tell the story, learned some spooky expressions, and now you are one step closer to telling your own scary tales in English. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons with a twist. And here's your challenge. Write a short ghost story in the comments using the past simple, past continuous, and past perfect. And I will reply to as many as I can. Thanks for listening. And remember, learning English doesn't have to be boring. It can be chilling. See you in the next lesson.